At the end of the day, I love snuggling up on the couch and binge watching my favorite show. But before I do that, there's a few things I need to do around my house, so come along while I close my house down. I always start by setting the mood. I light a candle, and I'll make myself something to drink as a treat. The 5 things that I like to get done around the house every day are laundry, dishes, flat surfaces, making the bed, and our floors. In doing 1 load of laundry a day, I'm typically able to wash, dry, and put away a load every single day instead of letting things pile up and then having to do hours and hours of laundry. Typically, my daughter unloads the dishwasher every single day after school, but on this day she had a sporting event, so I'm doing that quickly before I start cleaning up dinner. And before I go around the house and tidy my flat surfaces, I just need to clean up this dinner mess and get some dishes going. And now I'll just quickly put the leftover dinner away. I like to disinfect my sink with some Comet and an old scrub brush. There's something so satisfying about a clean sink. And I just quickly go around the house and get any other dishes left out from dinner, load the dishwasher before I move on to tidying the house. Now I'm just grabbing a basket and quickly going around my house and gathering any items my kids have taken out, tucking them into this basket, and I will deal with that either tomorrow or on the weekend. Same thing for the floors, I just quickly put any toys away. Alright, now that all my surfaces are clear, I just like to go through and wipe everything down. And just making my couch look pretty again, straightening up my decorative pillows, and putting my throw blankets back where they belong. Just go around and close all the blinds and curtains. As I move around, I swap out laundry just to keep that going. In a perfect world, my bed would be made every morning, but unfortunately that's not my reality. Most days I am just racing to get out of the house on time to get my kids to daycare before I have to be at work. So here I am, almost 7 o'clock at night, making my bed just to go to sleep in it. I will say though, there is something so satisfying about a made bed. I instantly feel more productive on the days that I start with a made bed than the days that I leave it a mess. I don't mess around with sweeping. I have a St. Bernard and a cat, and I find sweeping just kind of stirs up all their pet hair. So I just stick to vacuuming. Today I have the Roomba running to kind of get the nooks and crannies while I'm just doing a general quick vacuum of our main floor. And the laundry is done. So now it's time for me to quickly sort and put things away. My daughter's 14 years old, so she puts her own laundry away. My boys are having bath time right now, so I'm gonna put away theirs. Typically, they help me with this. Especially for my boys, I keep their laundry system super simple so that they can do this on their own. Just by doing a load of laundry a day, keeping up on the dishes, trying to make the beds, cleaning the floors, and any flat surfaces from clutter makes managing my house so much easier. And by doing these few things every single night, I'm able to go to sleep with a nice, calm, peaceful, clean space. I always tell myself, do today what your lazy tomorrow self will thank you for, and it literally works every time. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. I would love to have you.